In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to change the background into a different color, you can do that in two ways. The first one would be to select your entire spreadsheet, and that's going to be by pressing Ctrl-A or Command-A on your keyboard. And there we have it. We've selected our entire spreadsheet. And if you don't want to do that, you can also just click on this tab right here in between our first row and our first column. If you click on that, it will do the same thing and select your entire spreadsheet. Next step would be to go to Fill Color here on our toolbar and select your color. So let's say we want to go for a light blue. There we have it. So we've successfully changed the color of our background. The downside to this is if I were to, let's say, select this and move it to another place, you'll see that we've also moved the color along with it. So if you are not going to move any of your data within your spreadsheet, changing the background with this method would be fine. But if you do have to move around some cells, some data around your spreadsheet, we can do the second method instead. So let's undo that. Again, select everything. Then go to Format here in the menu bar and select Alternating Colors. So with our alternating colors, we have our range selected right here, and we have our styles. So here in our custom style below, what we're going to do is to just select the same color for all of these. To make it easier, let's uncheck the header right there, and here we have it. So now we can just select the same color for color 1 and 2. If we select the same color as the light blue right here, there we go. It has applied the same color to our entire spreadsheet. If we click on Done, there we have it. Now, if we do try and let's say move some cells to another position, you'll see that the color stays the same. And there you have it. So you can either just fill your cells with the same color, or you can use the option of alternating colors. And that's how you can quickly and easily change the background of your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.